tonight we are replacing the whole strut assembly on this Lexus LS400. We went a little too hard when I was off-roading and popped the fucking strut through the top hat. Or not the strut, but the shock. So we're gonna replace that, see what it does. This is the next problem that we are facing, but for now, I'm gonna fix this because I need it to take to work tomorrow.
Why don't you use my gun?
I like to do it like this.
Sorry, I'm used to like just fast.
Well, I'm not at a dealership. I'm in my garage driveway.
I was gonna say, that's a nice garage.
I'm not on a time limit. I'm just here trying to fucking do it myself. So, I don't have a customer waiting.
Look at that. Little blinker, neat.
Yeah, and people next to me will know.
Yeah.
I think the hardest part of this whole job is getting all the tools. And finding all the right tools to get it done. Because that's my mystery bag of tools. I can't see. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. We're also doing this at night. So that's not how you do it. But I figured I'd make a how-to video for those of you who don't know how to do this at night. You might know how to do it in the day, but not at night. Okay, so here goes this adventure of tool searching. Oh. Is it because why?
It's just easier.
Oh, this is my least favorite fucking shit. Oh, I should get me one of these. Do you know how long that took me when I was doing it, like, hand? It took me like fucking, I'm not even gonna tell you because it's embarrassing. Probably wasn't that tight either because I did it by hand.
Do that later.
I'm doing this so I don't lose everything.
If you leave it in one spot, you're not gonna lose. They don't just grab, like, grow legs and walk
of all
up.
people should know that I lose everything.
Impact. Oh shit.
Oh, look at all those yummies.
Hold on.
Look at all that. Look at all this. Okay, you take this. You put it here. And this will last as long as this will last.
Get more professional quality products then.
Then you have to deal with this fucking bullshit. Oh.
You just broke it.
It's like my least favorite part of this whole thing. We need the big crowbar. This itty bitty tiny weenie is not
Crowbar for what?
It's not gonna cut it. Don't be mad at me. There's no reason to be angry.
There's a lot of reasons to be angry.
Well, then go inside. Oh. Quality Lexus engineering at its finest. Okay.
Fuck this car.
No, it's a good car.
See, isn't life much easier like that?
No. I'm so weakly. I am like 5 pounds of strength at a time. It's just not. Okay, wheel. Wheel time.
I actually do like this after all. You do all the work and I just cameraman.
Well, that's how it was supposed to be, except for the whole fucking...
Chingadera.
Yeah, fuck. Hold the tire.
I am holding it.
I am so fucking weak. Okay. Okay. And that's how you do a front strut on an LS400.
It's lifted.
That's lifted and has a fucking stupid spacer in the front. Next job is fixing that.
Fixing what?
This.
Yep.
But that's good. It's good. It'll get me to work tomorrow. That's all I fucking care about right now. So join us next time when we do the other side in about a month. Fuck. What is this? Are you telling me shotgun?